Viewpoint 5, Resources to Applications and Technology. Now comes the power of connecting both the meta models. We can expand our cross-mapping efforts into operational level concerns. Now our strategies and plans will have teeth. Another key benefit is we are capturing company intellectual property. With these cross-mappings, business blueprints, and business scenarios captured in a structured way, we mitigate the loss of IP as employees retire or move on. This gives a solid foundation to any corporate strategy planning cycle. After all, as business architects, don't we want to influence at this level? At the C level? With all this discipline comes credibility. Let's bring this home with our new final viewpoint. Resources to applications and technology. Modeling at this level helps define how your current state business architecture will connect with your operating model, e.g., the components that your business is running on. We have expanded the BizBox meta model to include a strategy object under the Archimate meta model. This is cross-mapped using the assignment relationship. This is one of the allowed relationships between resource and capability. If you go to Archi and look at the Views folder, then double-click on view number 5, then click on Shipment Apps resource, then look at the visualizer, you will see the assignment relationship, realization, and aggregation relationships. Relationships used as per the fragment on screen. Now we have achieved business and IT alignment and captured the blueprints. Can you see the powerful effect we can have as business architects if we extend our perspective to include many facets of business architecture blueprinting? Looks like our business architect is on his way to achieving the 90-day plan. Let's use Excel now to drill into the realization relationship. Operational components realizing resources. In this matrix, we can see source objects on the y-axis, vertical on the left. On the x-axis are the target objects on the other side of a cross-mapping. Where you see type, you're looking at a filter for the type of relationship. This is cross-mapping. In this case, it's the realization relationship. Look for the system software, node, application component, business object on the Y, and resource on X. See at the intersections of the two is the number 1. This is the number of times that relationship was used between source and target objects. This time we have a viewpoint of operational components aligned all the way up in our model to stakeholder and value proposition. With this viewpoint, we have connected core business architecture domains, information and capability, to technology and application objects under Archimate. Imagine if we went to a depth of 4 in our model. We would have a clear line of sight all the way to customer value proposition. As a business architect, this is an excellent vantage point to address many key stakeholders' concerns. Did we just answer the good old question of, so what applications and technology underpin this capability? I've heard that asked many times by key business stakeholders. Let's just review our key point for this viewpoint. Key point. We've cross-mapped operational components to capabilities that affect an ongoing concern. This takes care of a complete look at a current business architecture for our transportation company, Tiger Airways. We have answered the good old question on, so what applications and technologies underpin this capability? This is making us the answer shop. Let's move into some conclusions to round out our discussion.